sumampa, nakita ko yung ano mo, mukha mo. Sobrang lubog na ng mukha mo.
Oo, sorry. Sobrang depleted. Wala na akong kinakain na carbs nun. Meron pa naman, pero 50. 50 grams. Hey guys! Welcome back. We're back, guys. We're back, boys. But for now, hindi tayo mahihirapan. Magpapahirap tayo instead. We got our boy Kyle here. Okay, siya naman ngayon. Lalaban din to, boy. 30 seconds. Last set tayo. You do only online coaching, coach? Yes, doll. I do online coaching. If you're interested, then hit me up sa DM. But as of now, focus muna ako dito kay Kyle. Goods po ba 30 bulking? Low! No, I won't recommend it. Mahirap makabalik. Lagay ko dito ah. Alright, it's almost done, ready. Alright, time's up. Last set tayo, come on. Okay, I need at least 10 to 12 reps. Kung hindi kaya, I'm gonna spot you. Okay? Use the base of your palm. Yung grip mo kanina, maganda yun. Para mas puwersa. Adjust it. Okay, very good. Engage your chest. And then push the weight using your chest. Squeeze it at the top. 2, very good. Yon, 3, nice work. Come on. 4, keep going. That's 5. Keep going. 6, all right, I'm gonna spot you. Sagad natin hanggang 10. Yon, 7. Come on. 8, we got 2 reps, 2 reps. Push. Good. Last one. Sige, sige. Akong bala. Angat natin yan. Spot kita. Puwersa. Push. Yeah. Nice work. Nice work, my idol. Nice job. He did great. He did great. Guys, send Lion daw. Magbubuhat siya ng 100 kilograms. 100 kilograms, send Lion daw. Reverse diet ka na, coach. Oo, nagkakain na ako. Wala na akong pakialam. Have some rest.
Maganti.
Share mo sa jowa mo to. Share mo sa jowa mo tong live. Saan gym niyo, coach? Dito sa San Fernando, Pampanga. Kyle, yung phone pala. Sa baba, ayun o. Baba ng split mates mo. Sa paa mo, paa mo. Dingin na. Ganda ng compression ko. Yes, Onyx to, dol. Pakilagay 20 kilograms. O kaya ako na lang mamaya. Saan?
Hindi ako umabot ng 6 reps dun sa 20. Kaya ginawa 15 lang ako.
Pambira. Baka natatakot ka nung time na yun.
Baka.
So, 35. We're gonna go 40. Wala nang warm-up dito. Pero pahinga ka muna. 1 minute remaining before next exercise. Coach, ano vitamins mo? This week, ita-drop natin yung... Magda-drop ako ng content about sa mga vitamins na tinitake ko. Both nung hindi pa ako nagko-compete and nung prep ko.
Mahilig ka sa
30
gym
seconds.
talaga, no, coach?
Ano ako, aspiring athlete. Mahilig mo maging athlete tayo ng Gymshark.
Meron na bang mga ambassador ng Gymshark sa Pilipinas?
Wala pa nga eh.
Ikaw pa lang muna.
Ako pa lang una. Tang ina!
Tangina.
Mahirap eh. Dapat meron ka mong huge, massive amount talaga of followers. Social media. Gymshark kasi ano eh, focused siya sa influencer marketing talaga. Eh wala pa akong gaanong masyadong followers. Starting from the bottom talaga. Let's go. That's 40 kilograms. Goal natin is 10 to 12 reps. Ay, hindi 10 to 12 reps. At least 6 to 8 or 8 to 10. Let's get it. 1, 2, and chest out. Okay. Roll your shoulders backwards. Engage yung chest. And go. Perfect. Nice execution. Nice work, my idol. That's 3, right? 4. Keep going. Sige, piga yung chest. You know, nagka-against ka na dolo. 6. 7. Come on. 8. Dol, ingat Dol. Very good. 9. Last one, Dol. Last one. Keep going. Keep going. Push it. Push it. Very good. That's all I need to get. That's 10 reps. Good work. You got 2 minutes rest. 3 sets lang tayo dyan. Good job. Good job. Ay, ginagawa ko ba yung assignment ko para sa'yo? Yung sa ano? Yung sa core workout every morning. Para tumiba yung core mo. Coach, ano split mo? Wala pa, hindi pa ako bumabilang sa workout ko. Nagpapahinga kami. Nagpapahinga ako. Puro halimaw nakalaban nyo sa show, coach. Lalaki nila tignan sa stage. Oo nga, solid. But it was a nice experience. Mag-message ko, YG. O sige, Dol. Ilan tayo kaibat? Coach, ano split mo? Routines? Wah. Erms. Coach, kailan ka lalaro? Wala na, tapos na. Pinagtutupi na tayo ng kalaban natin. Camera po ba yung nasa eyeglass? No, this is mic. Microphone to, microphone. Ah. What's up, coach? What's up, Taco? Ilang exercise po ba kailangan kada muscle? Give them 2 or 3. Kapag smaller muscle group, give them 1 or 2. Basta, theoretically speaking, if you want to grow your muscles, you must train them or give them at least 12 to 15 sets per week. Wada na, PJ. Ngayon mo lang wari na halata. Hindi wari halata, Dol? Coach, ano ba kita workout split? So 4 times. Well, the infamous upper and lower split. 1 minute. Walang naman, Gerald. Pani ako mabubudol kaya ka. Dol, PJ, worth it na rin ha, okay ako. Alam, pagsisiyan ka rin. May budol na awari kahit ang mismong gains be with you, brand. Mas ali may pagsisiyan to, Dol. 30 seconds. Nope, wala tayong nakuha ang place. Taco, kamis mag-gym. Coach, back to home workout ako. Wow, that's huge progress, Dol. Young LA or Gymshark? Of course, Gymshark. All right, ready. Come on. On my count, ready. 1, 2, and push. All right, roll your shoulders backwards. Engage the chest and go. Push. Nice execution. Very good. Squeeze those pecs. Squeeze those chests. Very good. 2. Nice work. 3. Very good. 4. Keep going. 5. Yes! 6! Give me 2 more reps. 2 more reps. Come on, kaya. Good. One more. One more. One more. Use your chest. Use your chest. Very good. That's it. That's it. That's 8 reps. Good work. 2 minutes. Last set. Last set. Mas sagadin pa natin yung last set mo. Coach, sobrang sakit ng katawan ko. Kakasimula ko lang kanina. Ganun talaga. Normal yan. Kasi new adaptation yan or new challenge sa katawan mo eh. Alright? So your body is still adapting to it. So ang gym ka, Coach Bossing. Dito sa San Fernando, Pampanga, Dol. Or give it a break. Of course, you need to give it a rest muna. Give those muscles at least 24 to 48 hours of rest before you train them again. Saan gym yan, Coach Ali? Dito sa OJ's Powerhouse Gym sa Fernando, Pampanga. Coach, ilang calories mo ngayon? Hindi pa ako nagtatrack ngayon. Hindi pa ako ulit nagtatrack. But last time na nagtrack ako, it's 1,350 calories. Idol, nanalo ka ba? Hindi. Wala tayong na-placing. Sayang. Pero nanalo ako para sa sarili ko. Oh, Gracia, maraming salamat. The best ka, Dol. Sarap na akong mag-workout. Dapat, embrace mo na yung mindset na yan. Grabbing sacrifice yun na, hirap. Solid, oh. Grabe talaga. HM monthly, I think it's 1.6. Okay lang yun, idol. Idol pa rin kita. Maraming salamat sa iyo, AJ. Mas idol kita. Saan nabili Gymshark? Sa mismong app, sa mismong website ng Gymshark. Pag kulang sa tulog, nag-gym ka pa rin? Hindi, pinapahinga ko. Kasi hindi ko ma-maximize yung outcome. Swabe po nung Onyx pot size yung shirt. This is small. Nag-size down. 1 size down ako sa Onyx para maging fit pa siya. 10 seconds. Last set tayo. Alright, let's go. Pahirapan na ulit natin to. The stranger. Okay, mas sagad pa natin. Sagad natin to 10 reps. Okay? On my count. Ready? 1, 2, and push. Shoulders backwards. Engage the chest, and then push. Good one. Very good. That's 2. 3. Keep going. Squeeze those chests. Come on. Yun, that's 4. Sasagad natin sa 10 yan, Dol. 5. Come on. Good. We're halfway there. 6. Sige lang, spot kita. 4 reps tayo. 7. We got 3 more reps. Sige, 4 reps. 8. 2 more. Good. Last one. Okay. Pilit, pilit. Come on. Push, push, push. Good. Good work. Ganun ang tunay na set, guys. Kapag hindi nalulukot yung mukha nyo, you're not challenging yourself enough. You're not challenging yourself enough kapag hindi gumaganon yung mukha nyo. Okay, so saan naman tayo?
Pag mag-isa ka nag-workout, Coach, paano yung pag hindi mo na nakapag-workout?
Minsan mag-aasa ko ng spot. Pero kapag wala talagang spotter, near to failure or until to failure talaga yung workout. Yung set. Kinagandahan kasi sa trainer or meron nag-spot, pwede ka mag-produce ng force reps. Makakatulad din for overall growth process. Dito tayo. Parehas malit forearms natin, Lodi. Genetics plays huge role pero pwede mo naman siyang i-train. Alright, next workout natin para kay Idol is incline chest fly. We're gonna use dumbbell. Pera mo. Check mo yung progress mo. Ano yung weight mo dyan? 8 kilograms. Ayun, makikita mo naman yan. So, 8 kilograms of reps. I think we're gonna do 8 pa rin, pero increase natin yung reps mo. Weight natin is 66. Nakapag-ipon na tayo ng tubig sa katawan natin. Medyo mabilis mag-gain ng weight. Upo ka na, Dol. Freaking me out. Ten reps.
Totoo ba, sir?
Dol, gamit mo ba itong pen?
Oo.
Yeah. Dito na lang ako. Mas maano kasing grip niyan eh. Mas mahigpit yung grip. Sige lang, okay lang, Dol. Okay. Use your legs to drive the weight upward, okay? Para hindi masayang yung energy mo. Okay. Use your legs, tapos sabay sandal. Game na. 1, 2, and up. 1, 2, and up. Alright, engage the chest. Slight bend sa arms. Yan. Yan, stabilize mo lang and then perform the lift. Not too fast, you don't have to rush it. And then, use your chest. Ito ha, ito yung gagamitin mo, not the arms. Not the arms. Okay, this one. Parang pinagdidikit mo yung dalawa mong siko. Good. Four, squeeze it. That's good. Five, very good, very good. Nice progress. 6, again, use the upper chest. 7, and 8. That's the last one, okay? Lagay sa legs. And then drop the weight aside. Oh, sorry, tinignan ko yan. Akala ko eh. Okay lang, alis ko na. Ayaw mo naman. Sige, dyan tayo. Nice, nasa isip ko kasi progress ka ng ano eh. Okay na yun.
Hindi ako umabot ng 10.
Still counts as progress. Kanina nag-machine na kami, chest press. Saan tama niyan? Yung sa mukha niya, Dol. Kasi nakikita mo naman, lukot na lukot yung mukha niya eh. Name ng gym, OJ's Powerhouse Gym. Nanapat yung legs mo ngayon, ha? Oo. Ganong rep range lang. One minute rest. Hi sa client. May nag-hi sa'yo, Dol. Hi daw sa'yo. Hi sa client. Starter. Name ng gym. Lugi, naka-onyx. Eto, check the yellow basket. Naka-against me with you siya. Yan. Look at the back. Damn. Ano, lagay ko na ba sa basket? Yung gains baby, 20 seconds pa, Dol. Nahanap ka ng jowa mo dito. Siya ba yan? Si Star Girl? Jowa ni Kyle. Saksihan mo kung paano ko siya papahirapan ngayon. Let's get it! 1, 2, drive it up. Good. Stabilize it. Engage the chest. Slight bend ng arms. And then perform. Very good. Okay? Again, engage the chest. Dito manggagaling yung puwersa. Come on. Yun! Very good. That's 2. Okay? Don't lose tension kahit na-stass yung dumbbells. 3. Good. Squeeze. Maintain the squeeze. Maintain the tension. That's 4. That's 5.
Gago.
Sige, tatlo pa. Good. That's 6. We got 2 reps remaining. Last one. Last one. Come on, don't give up. Go! Nice work. Okay, drop the weights aside. Tatlong set lang tayo dyan. Tatlong set lang. Make me sweat. Ano? Go Captain America. Oy, go Captain America daw, sabi ni Stargirl. Ano, bigyan na ba kita ng mic? Bigyan na kita ng mic na para makausap mo yung mga nagko-comment. Coach, may tanong ako. Dati weight ko 57.5 kg. And naging 59, pero hindi ako tumataba. That's most likely water. Okay, kapag mga small fluctuations, day by day differences ng weight mo, that's definitely water weight. Parang ako, from 63 nung show day, pero after few days ng pagkakain, naging 66 ako agad. One minute. Last set tayo after 1 minute. How are you feeling so far naman? Feeling good? How about the chest? Good? Make me sweat. Guys, check the yellow basket doon sa Gains Be With You shirt ni Kyle. Anong size yan?
XL.
He's wearing XL, guys.
Large lang pala.
Ay, large lang pala daw. Anong height mo?
5'10".
Oh, so if you're 5'10", weight 67. Ano kasi weight mo?
79.
Yeah. 5'10", 79, go for large, guys. Bili na kayo. May mga white pa tayo dyan. Okay lang po ba ganun, coach? Anong ibig sabihin mo? Anong tanong mo, Dol? What do you mean? Make me lose my breath, make me hard. That's it. Close up, guys. Close up. Go, 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 go. Wait lang. Wait mo. 1, 2, and up!
Kaya pa pa?
Kaya mo yan. Keep go. Go. Good. Yan, yon. Feel the stretch and then use this muscle to lift the weight up. 3, very good, very good. Squeeze it, don't lose. 4, we're halfway there. Okay, 4 na lang, Dol, 4 na lang. Laban mo yan. Ilaban mo yan, Dol. Good, 5. Okay, that's 6. Come on, we got 2 reps remaining.
Gago.
Yeah, I got you. Good. Last one. Last one.
Matay na.
Yeah. Spot kita. Go. Use your chest, not the arms. Very good.
Heads.
Baby! Anong last one? Last 5 pa, coach. Last 5. Yan. Dapat. Sige, push mo lang. Sige. 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 Yan. Ganun dapat, coach. Last one, last one. Hindi niya kaya. Last 5 dapat. Sisiyan ka sabay. Coach, nag-message po ako sa inyo sa TikTok. Sige, Dol. Check natin mga messages mamaya. Kamusta, Dol? Goods? Overall? Okay. Tinamad na ako mag-gym. Puro bading na truck. Ay, maraming salamat, Dol. Coach, okay lang mag-Crea pa din pag mag-water deplete na? Well, it depends. It depends sa state, current state ng katawan mo. Kasi as for me, sa naging experience ko, inalis din namin yung creatine since need ko talaga magmukhang tuyo. And the way creatine works, it forces your body to hold water sa mga muscles. Ganon. So, kung hindi ka pag ganon katuyo, tignan, and you need to deplete water talaga, most reasonable adjustment na pwede mong i-apply sa routine mo ngayon is to remove creatine as well. If same ka ng same ka ng stats ko. Done na tayo sa chest. Ready na sa shoulders. Shoulders na tayo, no? Dito na lang tayo. Wake up. I'm wasted still. I'm wasted here. I feel fucked up if you can be right here. Alright, next workout will be shoulders. Shoulder press tayo using dumbbell. I do the same. Then I told you that I never would. So previously, we used 8 kilograms. Nakapag-perform tayo ng 3 sets of 10 reps. We're gonna use the same weight. 8 kilograms ulit tayo. Sige, buka na dyan. You're the reason I believe in love. Fuck it up.
Ito ay glasses mo.
Ano? Have some rest muna. Height mo, coach, 5'7". Itong glasses na to nakuha ko from Sunny's Studio. Medyo chill ngayon, wala si coach. Ako yung nagpapahirap ngayon, hindi ako pinapahirapan doon. Okay lang creatine sa kape, kahit saan mo siya pwedeng ihalo, Dol. Pwede. Let me know when you're ready. Ready ka na ba?
10 seconds.
Okay, next exercise, next muscle that we're going to train is the shoulders. Using dumbbells, perform tayo ng seated dumbbell shoulder press. Use your legs, ha? Use your legs to drive those weights up. Tapos, yan, lagay mo shoulders. Pwesto mo yung sarili mo, chest out, roll them backwards, and then 1, 2, up. Go. Perfect, nice one. Don't rush the weight up, okay? Feel mo yung muscle, very good, that's 2. Nice job, keep it up. 3, top up mo yung dati. Kailangan natin ng 10 to 12 reps. 4, huwag mo yung susuko yan. 5, yung kaliwa mo na iwan. 6, good. 7. Come on, up. 8. Sige pa. You got more in there. Come on, you got more. Good. Last. Push. Good. O, dalawa pa. Dalawa pa. Kaya mo yan. Spot kita. From here, I'm gonna spot you. Ready? 1, 2, and up! Good. Last one. Last one. 1, 2, and up! Very good. Okay, drop the weights. Drop the weights aside. Good. So, tandaan mo, merong iba't ibang klase ng last. Pag sinabi kong last, iba-ibang klase yun. Last reps na kaya mo, tapos yung last 2 na extension pa, force reps. Ganun yun, guys, pag nag-train kayo ng client. Lakas ni Zian Gaza. Ikaw daw si Zian Gaza. Lakas si Zian Gaza, no?
Sino yan?
Yung posang Arabo, di ko alam wala yan. Okay lang ba naka-forward kunti kapag nag-shoulder press? Hindi, dapat nakasandal ka, dol. Mababawas yung stability mo kapag ka naka-forward ka. Less output.
Naiiwan yung dito ko. Kaliwa ko sa...
Yung naka-forward yung elbow. Oh, sorry, hindi ko agad na-gets. Yeah, okay lang, okay lang. Wait lang 1 minute pa. $30 seconds. Is it okay to drink creatine for 1 year straight po, provided that you don't have any existing or pre-existing like organ issue, organ damage, particularly speaking sa kidney, then you're good. Size ng Onyx ko, it's small. Nag one size down ako. 5'8", 81. Go for large. Go for large. Tung sahur. Done. Let's get it. Come on, pick up those weights. Sasagarin ulit natin ha. Okay? Kaya mo yan. One, two, and up. That's one. Very good. That's two. That's three. 4. 5. 6. Come on. 7. 8. 2 more reps. 2 more reps. 9. Okay, push the weight up, hindi forward. Keep going. That's it. Very good. Good work. Mahirap? Parang gagawin tanong eh, no? Okay, drop the weight mo muna. Nahirapan ka?
Dito yung pinaka-nakungunot ako eh.
Di ako nakakuha ng long sleeve. Ayoko yung long sleeve. Sa una lang yan. Normal lang na nahihirapan ka sa una. Wala na oh. Di ba dati tuyong-tuyo to? Ha? Two weeks. One minute. What is that? What's suno, Kyle? 5, 10, 88 kilograms. Anong size ng Onyx? Go for large. Go for large. Sa ibang bansa, bro, nabili niya yan. Sa mismong website ko nabili to. 30 seconds. Come on. Last set tayo. Last set. Grab the weights. Last set. Let's go for it. Go. On my count. 1, 2, and up. All right. And then engage the shoulders. That's 1. Good. That's 2. 3. 4. Sige, persa mo! Yan, that's 5. Tatlo na lang, Dol. Tatlo na lang. Spot kita. I'm gonna spot you from here. 1, 2, and up! Good! Sige pa. 1, 2, and up! Okay, last one. Last one. Don't give up on me. Come on. You're not a pussy. Good, good. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Good work.
Bumibigay yung kaliwa.
Normal lang yan. Muscle imbalance yan. Halika dito. Huwag natin sayangan yung ano, yung tension. Hindi natin ilulose yung tension. We're gonna take advantage of that one. Six. Magla-lightweight tayo. Lighter weight yung gagamitin natin. Let's do 4 kilograms muna. Alright, hold this, grab this one. After a few seconds, start tayo. Okay, so yung proper form ha. Okay. Can't be friends. Go. Control the weight, yes. 2. Hanggang shoulder level lang. Hindi na kailangan mas mataas pa. Yan. Okay, think of it as pushing the weight outwards. Okay? Outwards. Away from your body, not upwards. 4. 5. 6, 7, 8. Straight pa yung shoulder, ay yung arms. 9, 10. Keep going. 11, 12. Sige pa. 13, 14, 15. Straight arms. Sige. 16. Straight arms, 17. Last one. Okay, good. 30 seconds. Yan muna.
18 pala.
Sorry, di ka nasabi. Surprise yan. Oh. Guys, ang goal ng exercise na to is matuto siyang makalipad. Yan. 3 sets and after ng 100 reps, makakalipad na siya. Haha, ang saya mo, coach, nahihirapan client mo. Oo, sadista tayo eh. Go, grab the weights, come on. Wag kang gumaganyan, no. Wag mong fina-flap yung, wag mong tinitwist yung shoulders mo. Instead, focus ka lang sa ganitong movement, alright? Do not twist your arms like that, okay? It's all about moving your elbows away from your body, okay? Go. Oh, tinitest mo na naman. 3. It's about the elbow. Ganun, oh. Hayaan mo lang naghahang yung forearms mo. Hindi ko bibilangin yan kapag mali yung form. Straight pa na konti yung arms. Sige pa.
Hindi na kaya yung kaliwa.
Wala pa pakialam gagawa. Sige pa! Yan, ganito! Yan! Good! Sige lang. Sige, burn it! Come on! Good. Almost there. All right, 5 more reps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good work. Drop it.
Hindi na ako makapaghugas ng puwet mamaya.
I'll give you 1 minute. Ayan guys, last 100 reps guys. Matututo nang lumipad yung clients. Gets mo kung bakit hinold ko yung arms mo ng ganun? Para naiiwasan yung pag-twist. Nalis yung sintas mo. Twenty seconds. How much Onyx? 4,000. Solid. Coach, kumusta naging laban mo? Ayun. It was tough. Feeling good. Time's up. Come on.
Kausapin niyo lang.
Come on. Last set tayo, Okay, give me 20 reps. Okay? So wala kang gagamiting puwersa sa forearms mo. Okay? Dito lang galing. Imagine your full arms as just hooks. Okay? Go. Sige. Yan. Sige. Go. Sige pa. Last two. Come on. Oh, last one. Oh, good. Nice work. Kulit kasi ng kamay mo eh. And let's go for triceps. Triceps na tayo, triceps.
Tiga na.
Ganyan ba to? Coach, ano size ng Gymshark mo? I'm small. Itong Onyx natin is small. Coach, ano gupit mo? Tapered. Hindi ko alam ano ito eh. Tapered yata na fringe. Supposedly, ganun siya. Hindi ko alam kung ganun nga yung naging resulta. Coach, king kalayaan yan. Wow! Ganda ng Gymshark. Maraming salamat, Dol. How are you?
Pag shoulders talaga, wala na.
Ano?
Pag shoulders, namamatay na ako.
Asa yung phone mo pala? Wag ka, wag kang lilingon duel. Bakit talaga ito eh. You know how.
Oh my God. Ilan ba ako last time?
10. Sharex! Ano daw? Alright, goal is to have 10 to 12 reps. Kaya na ba? Kala ko 20 reps. Bali next month daw ulit. Ang alin? Wawa naman yan. Tuturuan mo ano daw? Goods ba 75K XS 75 kg? Saan? Saan, Kevin? Na paano yung naka-white? Flip natin yung camera.
Ha?
Hindi, kausap ko sila.
Oh, man.
Sa Gymshark mo, coach. Ay hindi, masyadong maliit yung XS. First day niya, hindi. Fourth week. Tama. Let's go. Start ka sa taas. Check mo yung tricep gains mo. Go. Control it, control it. Huwag ka magre-rest. 7. Huwag ka magre-rest. 8. Baba agad. Yan. Sige. 9. Kaya mo yan. Ipilit mo, Dol. Pilit mo. Yan. Dalawa na lang. Kaya mo yan. Sige lang, sige lang. Good. Hawakan mo mabuti. Use the base of your palm. And then up. 1, 2, 3. And up. Fuerza. Okay. Awit naman yan. Coach, question. Sige, mag-question ka lang. Leave all your questions there. Coach, tama lang ba yung large na compression vest? Sige, oo, tama. Mag-large ka. Shredrian, ano yung question mo? Opinion about full body splits. Perfect sila for beginner. And kapag ka-short yung time mo, in a weekly basis. Kailan ka pala ulit niyan? Bukas? Thursday, yeah.
Nangingi na ba? Diba 2 weeks na ako hindi na pang 2 weeks ko na bukas ay tama. Pang 2 weeks ko na hindi magpupultil.
Hindi ka. We will see. As long as nasa ilalim ka ng pangangalaga ko. Oh. Hawakan mo mabuti. Wrap your thumb and use your palm. Go. Okay. Come on, push, push, push. Dalawa na lang, dalawa na lang. Straight up, straight up. Last one. Ge. Good. Kulang yata to. Gana bolang yata ini.
Torture daw, torture.
Where did you gym? What? Last set.